Okay, for the continuation of our discussion for the TQM, for the Chapter 2, Strategic Dimension of Equality. David Garvin developed a system thinking about quality of a product. First is the performance, consists of the primary operating characteristic of a product. Next is the features, added characteristic that boost the attraction of the product or service to the users. Then, for the reliability, it is the likelihood that a product will not fail inside a particular time period. MTBF means time between failures, literally the average time elapsed from the failure to the next. Failure rate, the frequency with which components fails expressed in the failures per unit. Conformance depicts the what extent a product design and operating characteristic meet established standards. Durability, it is the measure of how much use a person to get from a product before it breaks down. To use point that replace makes sense, that continual repair. Then there are three types of a durability testing. First is the vibration testing. Vibration environment to which product will be exposed to the real use produced. Products are tested this environment to judge their durability or check improvement. There are two types of vibration testing. First is the vibration experiment. It is used to test sample or representative model or volume of production. It is used to improve the product design. Then for the vibration stress screening, all production products are tested to eliminate faulty units and approve good units. It may be compulsory in certain industry. Then for the shock test, it replicates event to determine if the structure can withstand sudden applied forces. Shock are characterized by their short duration and sudden occurrence. For the climate testing, materials can deteriorate over the time. The aging prematurely due to either high or low temperature extremes. Serviceability involve the customer ease of obtaining repair service, like access to serve centers and ease of self-service. Aesthetic, it means how a product looks, feels, sound, taste, or smell. Perceived quality, it is the individual subjective appraisal of a product or services attributes. Indirect measure may be there only based on a comparing brands. Then, for the service, it is normally described as an experience felt by the consumer. The tangibles, dimension of equality is associated to the environment in which the service is rendered to the customers. Next is the reliability. It is to perform the promised service dependably and accurately to customers on specific service. Responsiveness, the willingness to help customers and provide prompt service. For the assurance, defined as employees and knowledge of courtesy and ability to the firm and its employees to inspire trust and confidence. For the empathy, it refers to caring attitude that an organization provides toward to the customer. It is very important to the organization. So that's the end of the chapter 2.
For more ICCT College's video updates, please subscribe and click the notification button.